Hey guys, Glockster42. So something a little bit different from my channel here. This is the Academy 1/350 the scale Titanic. Now I didn't build this kit. My 12-year-old son built it. He's been fascinated with the Titanic for forever, and he's been bugging me to find him a kit. So we originally bought the 1/350 the scale Hobby Boss Titanic. Horrible kit, guys. Do not buy the Hobby Boss. Well, I guess you can do whatever you want, but I would highly recommend that you don't buy the Hobby Boss 1/350th kit. The fit is horrible. There's lots of accuracy issues, and it's not worth the money. This is the Academy 1/700th scale, pre-painted. Not really pre-painted. All the plastic comes colored, so he didn't have to do any painting on it. Now he put this together in a weekend, and I think it turned out really well. For his first model kit, pretty darn happy with it. He's pretty darn happy with it, and I'm happy with the way it turned out. Maybe a couple of the stacks are a little crooked, but the nice thing with this pre-painted, he didn't have to do any painting. We got nice brass screws. We've got the watermark. We've got the colors that are right. We've got wooden decking. We've got the yellow chimneys. All in all, this is a really nice kit, guys. And if you can find it, I got this one on Amazon.ca for a reasonable price. If you want to build a nice Titanic, think about looking at the MPC Academy pre-colored. It's a great little kit. It looked good. I was going to build it myself. I was going to build it for myself, and he's like, Dad, can I have this one? Because that other one kind of sucks. Yeah, go ahead. Have at her. And he's just finished up an older Tamiya T3476 as well. So, yeah, between school and gaming and hockey, he's starting to build the old model here and there. So, anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I sure appreciate my subscribers. Thanks for taking time out of your busy day and watching my stuff. So, take care and later.